Yo guys, what is up? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are going to be unboxing a sneaker. I'm going to start doing more videos like this on my channel, so make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, comment your favorite snack food, whether it be Oreos, it be a cereal. I don't know, some people might like cereal as a snack. I'm not really sure, but definitely comment your favorite food. Yeah, thanks. Anyways guys, we have to get into the sneaker unboxing today. Today I have for you an NMD R1 pre-released pair. I got these pair in a boutique in a different country, and let me tell you, these pairs are gonna fly off the shelves. Alright, these pairs are amazing to cop. These aren't like any NMD R1. They have a special little hint to them, and I'll show you guys in just a second. I'm really excited to bring you guys this video. I've been planning this for a while now, and now it's here. Now we're doing it. Let's unbox it. Let's get the unboxing started. Alright guys, as you see, we have a normal Adidas NMD box, as you see right there. It would focus. It's not gonna focus, but you guys see it's an NMD R1 right there. You got the side of the box, you got the Adidas stripes, a little bit damaged because I had to bring it in a suitcase, but yeah, it's not too bad. Not badly damaged. You see, normal pair, normal box, you know. All right, so let's get the box open here. Just same old Adidas original patterning on the paper, and oh, boys, I love these shoes so much. They're like one of my favorite NMDs that's ever come out. I don't even know why. It reminds me of something. I'll tell you guys what it like reminds me of in a second, because it's crazy. All right, guys. These, I don't want to show you. You guys all know the bottom sole, and if the bottom sole does look a little bit dirty, that's because I have been wearing it. Yeah, I have been wearing it a little bit. Not gonna lie to you. So yeah, here we go. Here's the shoe in its full entirety. It is beautiful. It is called the Color Block NMD R1s. These shoes, I think, are very simplistic but nice approach to the NMD R1, because recently we've been getting a lot of crazy colors with these stilts and everything. Stilts or STLT, whatever you want to call them. I just think this is a really cool and refreshing update for Adidas in the R1 and the NMD here. I don't know, I just like it. It has like the color blocks in the back. It kind of reminds me of an off-white shoe, which I think is what they were going for here when they made it. They were kind of going for an off-white approach because it's all, you know, Nike's flying off the shelves with all these R1 or all these off-white, the 10 collection, and it's just, I don't know, I think this pair is so nice. You guys might not think so, but I did get these pre-released. They come out February 1st, and I'm recording this video on January 14th. It should be up tonight, later tonight, if you guys are interested in how I record my videos, how fast it takes me to edit. It's not too bad, you know, just saying. Alright, yeah, but one thing I also did recognize on the shoe, I think this goes for a lot of NMDs actually, is that it doesn't say on the tag right here, it's not a tab, it's a block, I guess. It's a block, or like the NMD pad right here. It does not say Adidas, and it's not in like a different language. It's actually like something, I'm not even sure. Maybe you guys in the comments can tell me what this is. I have no idea what this is. If it would focus, I feel like I'm a makeup YouTuber now. Don't focus on my face anymore, focus on that. You guys see that right there? It is like something, I don't know what it is. I'm not sure really what it is, but if you guys can tell me, definitely let me know down in the comments, because I'm actually very appealed to what this is. So guys, here's both pairs side by side. As you see, I really like the one color block in the middle. I feel like that really gives a lot to the shoe, because if they didn't add that in the middle, it would look kind of just like bland really, with only it in the back. And even, I think that they could go larger with this. The blocking in the back, they could maybe expand it more out to like the side, or even like add another block in like the 3 stripes, or even on like the toe or somewhere. But they definitely did a really good job with this. It's a nice refreshing update to the R1, because recently they've just been like painting the stripes, or just, you know, been making the whole like shoe fabric just one color and then the stripes another color. And I don't know, I just think it's a very nice approach to it. Very different from last year's designs, and that's why I think 2019 is going to be a really big year for Adidas. 2018 kind of went to Nike. They had all the off-white collabs. They had a bunch of nice Jordans that came out, but you know, Adidas kind of lacked, other than Yeezy dropping a couple good ones. Statics were pretty good. Sesames are actually better than I expected. I actually got the Sesames, and I'll show them off in a later video, but I actually got the Sesames, and I was kind of skeptical at first because I was like, I don't know how they're gonna look like. On the pictures, they didn't look too good, but we'll see. I'm not really sure. And they ended up actually being one of, I think, the easiest to wear pairs. You can pretty much wear them with anything. Not as easy as like the cream whites or like the breads, of course, but it is pretty easy to wear with normal jeans, or like, you know, black denim is like the go-to for Yeezys. So yeah, but I'm very excited that I'm able to get this pair early. I actually went to like a boutique, like I said before, in a different country, and they had these on the shelves, and I was like, I have never seen these anywhere. I have to get them. And then later I looked up the colorway, because it does have the coloring on, or it does have the color pattern on the box, and you can look it up online, and the Adidas website pops up and it shows you everything about the sneaker, when it's coming out and everything. So that was pretty cool. Thanks, shout out to Adidas for doing that, man. Like, that actually helped me a lot, because I was literally for an hour straight on my phone trying to figure out like what this shoe was and why I haven't seen it before. Yeah, so I don't know. I think this is one of my favorite NMDs ever. I know I've said that a lot in this video, okay? I know I've said it a lot in this video. I really don't care. I love this NMD, dude. I don't know, I just love it. This shoe also comes in 2 different colorways other than this one. It comes in a maroon colorway and a gray and blue colorway. I think the maroon colorway is just a little bit too, it looks kind of hard to pull off, maybe with some black denim, of course. Black denim go-to on sneaker culture, anything. But definitely these are easier to rock. I mean, not as easy with the neon, but it's still definitely easier to rock with just like a pair of jeans compared to, you know, like a red shoe like the maroon ones. Also, the gray and blue ones, having the gray fabric and the blue blocks, do look kind of nice. I'm not sure if those are really gonna fly off the shelves or not. The only reason I think these are gonna fly off the shelves because it really, like, the accents of the blocks of like the neon really stands out, and it's kind of like an off-white shoe, like I said before. So that's why I really think these are gonna do really nice. Comes out February 1st, like I said. Go cop yourself a pair and tell me if you guys are gonna cop it or drop it. It does retail for $130. It's not a limited edition NMD. It's really just like beautiful. I don't know, I love the shoe so much. I know I've said it like freaking 15 million times now. Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe the video. How do you subscribe a video? I'm not sure. You figure that out for yourselves. Anyways guys, thank you so much for tuning in. You're gonna see more videos to come from this channel. I think this weekend I'm gonna be going to a Adidas outlet and a Nike outlet down by where I live. So make sure to stay tuned for that, guys. And until next time, peace.